So I've decided to bring my car in for its service. I booked online and my retailer called me beforehand to confirm my arrival time and explain how things will work. So I already know what to expect in terms of precautions in the showroom. There are clear markings to show me where to park when I arrive and signs to show me where to drop my keys. Alternatively, if I'd rather not visit my retailer, I could have chosen the collection and delivery service. Once inside the retailer, the first thing you'll notice is that due to social distancing measures, there are fewer people in here than you'd normally expect. With this in mind, it's best to drop off the car on your own if you can. If you need to stay during your appointment, there's a new layout to the waiting area. Tables and seating are now spaced according to distancing guidelines, and the whole team here are focused on continuous cleaning to maintain hygiene standards. But please bear in mind, if you do want to wait in the showroom, you will need to stick to your appointed time. There's information and guidance for you to follow throughout the showroom, and you'll also notice these stickers, which are here to help us maintain that all-important 2-metre distancing. On arrival, you'll be asked to pop your keys in a bag. And the service team will take it from there. I should also say that the measures you see here in the showroom have also been implemented in the workshop, so that you can be confident that every possible precaution has been taken to safeguard you, your car, and the people working here at the retailer. So that's it. My car will now be serviced and I'll come back when it's ready. In the meantime, the service team will keep me updated on the progress of my car and anything else I might need to know. Also, I'll be able to make a payment online or over the phone once the work has been carried out. So for a quick and easy way to get your Mercedes-Benz serviced or repaired, just drop and go.